In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 main reasons behind rising Facebook ad cost and what you can do to fix them. If you're running Facebook ads today for your business or for clients, watch this entire video ad until the end, where I'm going to show you proven methods to lowering your Facebook advertising cost while getting more leads and sales. Now, I've created this video and the next video for anyone who's advertising on Facebook. Beginners, intermediate, genius level ad buyers, anyone can learn something from this critical insights that I have in this video. Hi, my name's Kurt Molly, and I've been running a digital ad agency specializing in Facebook ads for over a decade now. And in the last 8 years, I've taught thousands of people around the world on how to run profitable Facebook ads. Just a small list of some of the clients we've worked with that you may recognize are Frank Kern, Eben Pagan, Mike Dillard, Russell Brunson, Lead Pages, Ryan Dice, Molly Pittman. We've worked with over 10 different people who've been on the Shark Tank. We've helped multiple people become New York Times best-selling authors with our campaigns. We've helped major league sports teams like the San Antonio Spurs, minor league teams. Even a U.S. presidential candidate has employed our tactics and services. This is just a very small list of clients that we've served over the years. People have also flown me all over the world and asked me to speak directly to their teams and at their events. In fact, a lot of people license our methods to train their employees and internal teams. Today in this short video, I'm going to share my thoughts on the current state of Facebook advertising. I mean, it's pretty scary out there, and at the moment, for a lot of us Facebook advertisers, costs are creeping higher and higher by the day, and it's costing us sales and lost revenue. The big reason for the cost on the rise? Pay attention to this. It's no secret that nowadays people are sick and tired of seeing ads everywhere they go online. So it's time for us marketers to find a new way around the problem. Now, to address this, I've created a deep dive 60-minute video for anyone who's currently running ads on Facebook. I'm going to show you how, with just a couple of small little tweaks, you can dramatically reduce your cost per click, your cost per lead, and your cost per sale, all while still achieving a good return on investment. This full 60-minute video will break down in detail for you, and I'm going to make this fun and easy for you to understand and for you to implement and see results. I even have a real-life example in a case study where you're going to look over my shoulder to see exactly what we did to fix these high costs on a client account. Now, here are the 3 big reasons for Facebook ad cost on the rise. Number 1, it's a crowded space of people wanting to advertise on Facebook. See, advertisers continue to increase their bids to reach more people as Facebook's charging more and more just to have your ad shown. Number 2, Facebook advertisers need more people seeing ads. They need more impressions seen. However, Facebook is trying to show higher quality ads with less impressions. So that means people have less of an opportunity to connect with your targeted audience for those sales and leads. Number 3, Facebook is trying to show a higher quality experience for the end user. So the people who actually are clicking on ads. What Facebook has found is many times there's a poor user experience. So your website could actually be leading to higher costs for your leads and sales. I'm going to be breaking all of this down on why Facebook ad costs are rising in the next video that I created for you on the other side of the Learn More button. I'm going to share with you the main reasons we believe that Facebook ad costs will continue to rise over the next year. Now, it's just not my opinion. I'm also going to include a recent video sent to us by our Facebook rep where Facebook actually breaks down why we are seeing costs continue to go up. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a real-life case study on how to drive down those costs while increasing your conversions. It's literally an over-the-shoulder look of the exact numbers and exact strategy we've been successfully using for ourselves and our clients to keep lowering Facebook ad costs. In fact, this very specific strategy has earned our ad agency over 14 American Marketing Association awards over the last 15 months alone. I'm going to be taking you step by step through our award-winning strategy so you can easily duplicate our results for yourself and your clients. In the video, I'm going to be giving you access to the exact same processes we use to train our internal staff and the same processes we've shared with thousands of other Facebook advertisers on how to lower cost while increasing conversions. Keep in mind, this is a proven strategy that has saved Facebook advertisers thousands of dollars for those who implement our very effective belt method strategies. We've made this really easy. So all you have to do next is click on that Learn More button to get direct access to this critical and timely video on Facebook rising ad cost. And you're going to discover exactly what you can do to lower those costs while driving more leads and sales for your business. This proven strategy has worked for digital course creators, e-commerce store owners, consultants, local businesses. In fact, this proven strategy has worked successfully in over 75 different industries, and I know it can work for you. Find out for yourself how powerful this proven Facebook ad strategy really is when you click on the Learn More button right now. Just to be clear, these critical Facebook updates are recent and updated for September and October 2021. I wouldn't be giving you outdated information, especially with what some people call the dumpster fire at Facebook. Discover why some of the top online marketers in the world are leveraging our strategies to drive down cost and increase their conversions right now. I can't wait to see you on the other side of the next video. All you have to do right now, click on that Learn More button, and I'll see you in the next video. See you on the other side. Actually, here's a preview of what you're going to see on the other side.